Hello, what up, guys? What up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy, Famous Nelson. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to record good quality vocals on Bandlab Mobile as a beginner. So please, in case you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified when I upload my next content. So let's dive in. So once you open Bandlab, you will see something like this. All you got to do is click on the plus icon and then you click on Open Studio. So the next thing you want to do is to import your instrumental. So you just click on import file and it will take you to your phone's memory where you have all your audio files. So to make it easier for you to locate your instrumental, just click on the search icon and search for the instrumental. Just say Iron Berlin. You see it brings up everything. So you just have to click on it on the particular one you're looking for. So now you've successfully imported your instrumental. So the next thing you want to do is to bring in another track for your vocals. So you just have to click the plus icon. Then you click on voice and audio. Now you've successfully bring in your audio track. So once you click on the red button, it will start to record. So if you want to record on Bandlab and you want your vocals to be very clear, please don't record with your phones. Don't record with this microphone that comes with your earpiece. No, don't do that. You won't get good vocals. If you want to record good and quality vocals, take your phone closer to your mouth those way. So this is how you can get good quality vocals. Don't speak direct into your phone's microphone. It's not good. So just place it in such a way that it won't be far from your mouth. So get that. So now let's record something. Just click on the red button and to start recording like I said earlier. So you can see it has started recording. Whoa.
It's famous on the beat.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Shout out to my niggas for watching. Greetings to my niggas in Berlin. Salute all my niggas in Washington. Say, every day we've been running things. Thanks for watching. 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 So let's listen to what it sounds like. Let's just come. So you can see it has and click on the play icon to listen. I'm sorry, I have to cut out this part of this.
It's famous on the beat.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Shout out to my niggas for watching. Greetings to my niggas in Berlin. Salute all my niggas in Washington. Say, every day we've been running things. Thanks for watching. 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 Thanks for watching.